Hello students, this is Assistant Professor Namrata Kilocha, Raffle BBA College, Vapi. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the difference between PERT and CPM. We had discussed that network analysis available with major three techniques, that is Gantt chart, PERT and CPM. So let us discuss difference between PERT and CPM. The very first criteria which specifies the difference between PERT and CPM is meaning. PERT is a project management technique used to manage uncertain activities of a project, while on the other hand, CPM is a statistical technique of project management that manages well defined activities of a project. The second criteria of difference is what is it? PERT is a technique of planning, scheduling and control of time. On the other hand, CPM is a method to control cost and time. The third one difference is orientation. PERT is oriented towards events. On the other hand, CPM is oriented towards activities. The next one difference that is regarding evolution. PERT evolved as a research and development project. On the other hand, CPM evolved as construction project. Next one difference is regarding model. PERT is probabilistic model where there is probability of both success and failure. CPM is deterministic model. Next one criteria is focuses on. PERT method focuses on time only. On the other hand, CPM focuses on time as well as cost. Next one criteria of difference is estimates. PERT estimates time in three major ways, that is most likely time, optimistic time and pessimistic time. On the other hand, CPM is include one time estimates only. Next one criteria that is appropriate for. PERT is appropriate for the project which are having high precision time estimates. On the other hand, CPM is appropriate for the reasonable time estimates. Next one criteria is management of. PERT is a technique regarding management of unpredictable activities. On the other hand, CPM is the management of predictable activities. Next one criteria of difference is nature of a job. PERT method includes non-repetitive nature of activities. On the other hand, CPM includes repetitive nature of a job. Next one criteria of difference is critical and non-critical activities. PERT will not discriminate the activities into critical and non-critical type, but with CPM it is discriminated the activities into two parts, that is critical and non-critical. Not only that, CPM first give priority to accomplish critical activities. Next one criteria that is suitable for. PERT method is suitable for research and development projects. On the other hand, CPM is suitable for non-research projects like civil construction, shipbuilding, etc. Next one criteria for difference that is crashing concept. PERT method will not include any crashing concept, but in CPM crashing will be applicable. The last one difference is regarding origin. PERT method is oriented and originated especially in the military project. On the other side, CPM is originated in industry project. As we know, CPM is introduced by DuPont Chemical Industry. Thank you, students.